Hello, g'day and kia ora. These are all words we say in our country when we just want to say hi, how are you going? I have a couple of questions for you today, and here's the first one. Would you like to have your own beautiful Facebook fan page that's really easy to create? Would you like to be way ahead of your competition? And the third question, do you want to build a huge fan base of followers, of people who love you, trust you and respect you? Then you need to use quick Fanpages, the quick, easy drag and drop fan page system that I have set up specifically with you in mind. It's quick, it's easy, and it's drag and drop, and it's for fan pages, and you will love it. Now anyone can create fan pages, and here's why. No coding or design skills required. All you need is a Facebook profile. And in less than 2 minutes and 5 clicks of a mouse, you can create your own fan page, whether it be for business, whether it be for personal or for your own niche. It takes less than 2 minutes and 5 clicks of your mouse button. And you can use our templates. You can design your own. And you can use our viral apps that we have in the back office specifically for you to use. And there's so much more than that. You can build multiple tabs. You can use video in your quick fan pages. And you can gather names and emails, all important things that you need to be able to do within your fan page. You can promote and sell your products, your services and your brand, all on Facebook. And with millions and millions of people joining Facebook every day, you need to be there. You will go viral. You will be spread out on the internet. With quickfanpages.com, it's the quick, easy drag and drop fan page system that will allow you to have a beautiful fan page, will allow you to go viral, and will give you more fans and more dollars. Quick Fan Pages comes with support and video instructions. Well, you know what? That's if you need it. It's pretty easy to use. So what are you waiting for? Get started now. Go on, hop over to quickfanpages.com and gather your own copy of Quick Fan Pages, the quick, easy drag and drop fan page system that's been designed with you in mind. I'll see you on Facebook.